Good morning, students. Welcome to the chemistry class. Today is the third day of our chapter Hydrogen. The objectives of today's topic are general methods of preparation of hydrogen. Hydrogen can be prepared from water. Active metals like potassium, sodium, calcium react with cold water to produce hydrogen and metal hydroxide. Potassium reacts with water to produce potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. The reaction is violent and exothermic. The heat evolved ignites the hydrogen and makes the metal burn with a lilac flame. Sodium also reacts with water to produce sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Calcium reacts less vigorously as compared to sodium and potassium, and the reaction proceeds further with a steady supply of hydrogen gas. Metals like magnesium, zinc react with boiling water to produce hydrogen, but the reaction is slow. Here, magnesium reacts with water to produce magnesium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Similarly, zinc reacts with water to produce zinc hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Metals like zinc, magnesium, aluminium, iron react with steam to produce hydrogen. For example, here iron reacts with steam to produce iron oxide and hydrogen gas. Similarly, magnesium reacts with steam to produce magnesium oxide and hydrogen gas. Hydrogen can also be prepared from acid. Hydrogen is displaced from dilute acids like hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid by the action of active metals. Metal reacts with acid to produce salt and hydrogen gas. The nature of the reaction depends upon the activity series. Here, the metals placed at the top of the activity series are above hydrogen, so they are more reactive than hydrogen. So, they can displace hydrogen from the given dilute acids. Whereas, the metals placed at the bottom of the reactivity series are below hydrogen, so they are less reactive than hydrogen and they cannot displace hydrogen from the given acid. For example, potassium reacts with hydrochloric acid to produce potassium chloride and hydrogen gas. Similarly, sodium and magnesium also reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid to produce hydrogen gas. Nitric acid should not be used to prepare hydrogen gas as it is an oxidizing agent. It reacts with hydrogen produced in initial stages to form oxides of nitrogen and water. So, only very dilute solution of nitric acid reacts with magnesium and manganese to form hydrogen gas. Hydrogen can also be prepared from caustic alkalis. Metals like powdered aluminium, zinc, lead, and tin react with concentrated solution of sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide to produce hydrogen. For example, zinc reacts with concentrated sodium hydroxide to produce sodium zincate and hydrogen gas. Similarly, zinc also reacts with potassium hydroxide to produce potassium zincate and hydrogen gas. Students, this much is for today's lecture. Thank you.